Good morning everybody. Today we are going to study the first chapter, knowing your numbers. In this chapter we will discuss about comparison between numbers, place value of numbers, difference between Indian and international system of numeration and so on. In lower classes you have studied comparison between numbers. See, here there are three numbers with a different number of digits. In this number there are 2 digits. In this number 3 digits. Here it is 4. So, a number with the least number of digits is the smallest number, and a number with the more number of digits is the greatest number. In this case, the least number of digits is here. That is, in 92 there are 2 number of digits. So this is the smallest number. Here there are 4 number of digits. So this is the largest number. See another example. In this case, all these numbers have same number of digits. That is 4. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of digits. Here also 4. Here it is 4. Okay. So, how we can compare these numbers? All these numbers are in thousands. So, compare the digits in the thousands first. Here, 4 is in the thousands place. In this number, 4 is in the thousands place. Here it is 3. Here it is 5. Here, 3 is the smallest number. So, 3811 is the smallest number, and 5 is the largest number. So 5238 is the largest number among these given numbers. Consider this number. All these numbers also have same number of digits. All these numbers are in thousands. So let us compare these numbers by comparing the digits in thousands. So, here the digits in thousands place is 6, here it is 6, here also 6. That is, number of digits in thousands place are same for all these numbers. So, we move to the next digit, that is digits in the hundreds place. Here digit in the hundreds place is 4, here it is 1, here it is 3. In this case, all these are different. So, the smallest number among these is 1. So, 6148 is the smallest number, and 4 is the largest number. So, 6428 is the largest number. Okay, clear? Next, we are going to study to find the largest and the smallest numbers from the given digits. For example, consider the digits 4, 1, 3, 8. We can find the smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number from these digits. The smallest 4-digit number is obtained by arranging these numbers in ascending order. Here, ascending order means arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. Here, the smallest number is 1. The second smallest number is 3. The next one 4, next 8. I arrange these numbers in ascending order. Therefore, 1348 is the smallest 4-digit number from these digits. Then, similarly, we can find the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is obtained by arranging these numbers in descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from largest to smallest. Here the largest number is 8. Second largest is 4. Then 3, then 1. So 8431 is the largest 4-digit number from the given these digits. Okay, got it? There is one exceptional case to examine. For example, consider the digits 4, 0, 2, 5. To find the smallest 4-digit number from these digits, how we can find? First write these digits in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to largest. The smallest digit is here 0. Second smallest is 2. Then 4. Then 5. Here 0 is in the leftmost place. So 0 has no value here. So this number is considered as a 3-digit number. So to write the smallest number, rearrange this number like this: 2, 0, 4, 5. 0 comes in the second position. Okay. So 2045 is the smallest number from these given digits. We are going to learn about large numbers. We know that the largest 1-digit number is 9. If we add 1 to the largest 1-digit number, we get the smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. If we add 1 to the largest 2-digit number, that is 99, we get the smallest 3-digit number 100. And the largest 3-digit number is 999. If we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 4-digit number 1000. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. It is obtained by adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. The largest, if we add 1 to the largest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number, that is 10 lakh. Similarly, if we add 1 to the largest 7-digit number, we get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh and smallest 8-digit number is, see here, 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. For that, first write 1 lakh. Then start from ones place up to 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 we reached here. The remaining number is 10. So 10, 10,000. Similarly, 1 crore equal to dash 10 lakh. In order to find this, first write 1 crore. 1 crore. Then we start from ones and till 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. We reached here. This number is 10. So 10, 10 lakh. 1 crore equal to dash lakhs. For that, first write 1 crore and start from ones place, unit place, till lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. We reached here. This number is 100. So 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs. Okay, got it? Our next session is use of commas. Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. We use two types of place value system: Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then lakhs and crores. Commas uses to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. In Indian system of numeration, we use different periods and places. The periods are units, thousands, lakhs and crores. In units, the places are ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period, the places are thousands and 10,000s. In lakhs period, the places are lakhs and 10 lakhs. In crores period, the places are crores and 10 crores. This is the Indian system of numeration chart. This chart contains, first period is units. This contains ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands period contains thousand, 10,000. Lakhs period contains lakh, 10 lakh. Crores period contains crores, 10 crores. Now we are going to study how to place commas. First comma comes after hundreds place and marks thousand. The next comma comes 2 digits later, that is after 10,000 place. The next comma comes after again 2 digits later, that is after 10 lakhs place. Then here there is a 9-digit number. See how here commas are placed. The first comma comes after hundreds place. Next comma comes 2 digits later, that is after 10,000 place. Next comma comes again 2 digits later, that is after 10 lakhs place. Then we can write this number in this chart. Ones, 5 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 2 hundred place, 7 in thousands place, 1 10,000 place, 6 in lakhs place, 3 10 lakh place, 2 in crores, again 2 in 10 crores place. We can read these digits as one number followed by the period name. That is, here the number is 22, period name is crores. Therefore, 22 crores, 36 lakhs, 17,245. Let us see another example. 2, 4, 5, 1, 0, 3, 5. First comma placed after hundreds place, ones, tens, hundreds. The next comma after 10,000 place. First read the number 24. This period is 1000 lakh, that is 24 lakh, 51,000 and 35. This period is unit. This is thousand. This is lakh. So 24 lakh, 51,000 and 35.